Hello, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, whatever, at any age of like trains at any age. Hey, by all means, you're always welcome to participate and welcome to watch my video collage here of the railways from SkyTrain or whatever it is. But now it's on from the Southern Railway from the afternoon and from early this morning. So it's just kind of a follow-up in still shots. And I'm not going to do pictures just in case that video may turn out crappy. So if I do, I try to take still shots when I can. So try to make a compilation of different things. This is most of all my pictures. There may be the odd one I found off the internet I found really interesting. I might share it, but this is mostly my just trap yards. Some may call it boring, but I just like to add the railways because in the yards they always got different unique freight cars and locomotives stored at the Southern Railway, New Westminster in BC, Canada. So it's always interesting. So I try to keep it in the yard situation. I know about New Westminster and the local freight yards. So yeah. Anyway, please enjoy and stay safe out there and peace.